Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Prishita Pathak, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you the Cetaphil skincare I bought, and I posted it on my Instagram that I will review these products. This is the Cetaphil face wash. I've been using them for like 10 to 15 days now. And this is the Cetaphil moisturizer. And before the moisturizer, I also bought this Dapper Gulabri toner, which I put before the moisturizer. So I'm gonna be reviewing all of these products in this video. So if you are interested in watching the review of these products, then please keep watching. The first product that I use in my skincare routine is this face wash / cleanser. This is a Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser. It is for all skin types. It has a gel-like consistency, as you can see over here, and it really applies smoothly on your skin. It doesn't create any foam. It is soap-free. And it is not irritating on your skin, so it is very gentle face wash. As it has a very gel-like formula, it doesn't even sting on your eyes. It applies very smoothly, and I just think that other face washes really stings your eyes, whenever you try to remove any makeup or something, but this one is very gentle. I'm just tapping the napkin onto my skin. I'm not dragging it into my skin. And this is how my face looks like after I've used the cleanser. The second step of skincare is a toner. Here I'm applying a Dapper Gulabri rose water as my toner. And it is a really affordable toner. So I'm just gonna take a few drops of it and apply it on my skin to give it a glow. I'm just pressing the toner into my skin so that it gets absorbed into my skin. That's why I'm doing this patting motion. It really helps the products get absorbed into the skin. So as you can see, this toner is giving me a natural glow, and it is also nourishing for my skin. So the next step to skincare routine is applying the moisturizer. I'm gonna apply the Cetaphil moisturizing cream. It looks like this white color, normal creamy consistency. It really gives your skin a smooth texture and make your skin soft after applying it. It is not oily at all. As soon as you apply this moisturizer, it really absorbs into your skin. And I'm also doing this patting motion here with the moisturizer just to make it absorb into my skin really well, because it just naturally absorbs into your skin. And then I'm also patting it, so it's just gonna be wow. Next, I'll use a lip balm. This is a blood orange and rose shaped lip balm. It is super moisturizing. It is very hydrating on your lips. The texture of this lip balm is so nice. It smells like lemon. It looks yellow in color from inside, and it's a really good lip balm. And it just stays for so long on your lips, like when you apply a normal kind of lip balm, it just does not stay on your lips, but this lip balm really stays for a longer period of time. I just hate the feeling of my chapped lips, so I don't let them get dry. I always moisturize them, and this is a really good lip balm, so I just really like it. I would totally recommend this. This is amazing lip balm. Now you can purchase it online or you can buy them from store. It definitely controls your acne. I mean, like, it doesn't let your skin create new pimples or something. So if you see my face right now, whatever little bumps you are seeing, pimples kind of, they are like not new, since I started using them. I literally got nothing new pimples or something. It's just old, and these little scars type things are not going from my face. I hope so it will go away by using these products for some longer period of time. That's what I am hoping. Yeah, so these products are really good, really nice quality also. So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you liked the video, and these products are really great, so to try it, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Okay guys, bye. I'll see you in my next video.